Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today on the channel, I'm going to extend my woodworking Christmas gift series by building a custom Christmas sign for one of my subscribers and also one of my biggest supporters. This particular subscriber has actually watched a few of my videos and ordered and purchased stuff from my shop, which is really awesome. So stick around. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and let's build something. Ta-da! Let's hop over to the scrap wood pile and try to find the best piece of plywood we can. Next, we'll take our vibrating orbital sander with 120 grit on it and really get into it. And then with a 220 block, we'll put some elbow grease on it and make it super smooth. We don't really have hard winters here in Texas. This is a nice sunny Saturday afternoon in late November. And I'm just going to take some red spray paint and give it a nice once over on that smooth surface. I'll let it dry completely and then I'll take that same 220 block and sand it nice and smooth. This is going to be a three-colored sign: the red, the wood-colored carve-out, and then I want to do white from the family part of the sign. So I'm actually going to tape off the whole sign and leave that part open, and I'll spray paint it white. I'm not going to put a heavy coat of white on there. Just in case my carve out doesn't line up exactly, I'll be able to sand off the white down to the red. Moving on to the X-carve, I'm going to position this towards the front because I have so much extra space, and then I'm going to screw my piece to the spoil board. Now, I've been doing this a lot, and I don't think they recommend that, but I'm going to replace the spoil board one day anyway, so I don't mind putting some holes in it. I'm going to get set up for the carve, and I'm going to use the touch plate to set the depth of the carve. And now let's get to carving. Check out how I made this cover in the description below. It actually works so well, and I wouldn't want to have this machine without it. If you like fun and creative videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Do it, and do it now. I've got built-in dust collection on this stand that I built for my X-carve. Check out this card right here if you want to see how I built that. This stand is awesome. Now for one of my personal favorite parts, pulling off the tape and revealing the beautiful carve underneath. If you want to support the channel in this giving season, you don't just have to give. I have a store, Ericson Design Company /merch on Streamlabs. You can get hats, t-shirts, stickers. It's a great way to support the channel. Plus, follow me on Instagram. I do previews to all these projects, and it's a great way to stay in the loop. Next, we're in the final home stretch. We're going to run to the table saw and cut this down to size. It's going to finish at 8 1/4 by 22. I think it's the perfect size to hang on your door or lean up against a window. A good way to spread holiday cheer from the family. To add one of the last pro touches here, I'm going to take my 1/4 round over bit on my router, and I'm going to round over the back just to make it nice and smooth to handle. I really like the music in this video. It's from a band called the Stalins, and the song's called Christmas the best time of year. It's on Spotify and Apple Music, and check out the links in the description below. But it'll really get you in the holiday season. And for our final finishing touch, we're going to add a coat of polyacrylic. It's going to give it the durability that we need and a nice sheen. Always a pleasure to have you in the shop, guys. What a fun build. Special thanks to the Sharp family. And I give you advice here, get out in the shop, make some personalized gifts. They'll mean a lot to the people you make them for. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Check out my other videos right here. And I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and we built something. Ta-da! Okay, so if you made it this far, you know that I'm not a good speller. My wife came home and said, "Oh, it's not Mary, it's Mary." And I didn't even notice it all day long. So if you commented that I misspelled it, thanks for watching all the way through. If you made it to this spot, say, "I made it" in the comments. Thanks for watching.